To move multiple apps at once on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, while you are on your home screen, long tap the app you like to move, and then tap select. Select the other apps you like to move. Next, tap and hold one of the selected apps, and then drag all of the apps to the desired area on your home screen. Release your finger to place the app in their new location. Given to the function, moving multiple apps at once is more time-saving because you don't need to drag and rearrange one app at a time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.